Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Mailchimp and get it integrated with ClickFunnels. Here's an overview. We're going to get our Mailchimp account set up correctly. We're going to create an automation to send our free book to subscribers who just signed up. I'm going to show you how to create an API key in Mailchimp. I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with ClickFunnels, and then I'm going to show you how we can test our funnel. Alright, let's get started. So by now you should have a Mailchimp account set up, and here I am just on the first page when you log in. And what I want to do, I'm going to go hit my list first. Up here at the left, click list. And this is my list. It's called David Driven Leads. You can, name yours or whatever. So first I want to go to the settings. I want to check the list fields and merge tags, because all I'm grabbing up is email address and their first and last names. So if you're just grabbing up their email address, you'll want to uncheck those. But for me, we're going to leave them checked. Save changes. Alright, so that's set up to take those. So next we want to set up our automation. So we can come over here to campaigns and click create campaign. We're going to do an email. Where it says automated, we want to click that because it's going to be an automated email. And we can select the welcome new subscribers one here. Welcome message, you can name it, whatever you want. If you got more than one list, you'll have to select it from here, but I only got the one, so I got data driven leads, welcome message, might add free book. All right, click begin. Okay, this is triggered 1 day after subscribers joined your list, but we want it to trigger immediately. Alright, hit update trigger. So now it immediately after subscriber joins the list, this is going to fire off. So we're going to click add email. Oops, nope. What am I doing? We got an email. No, we want a design email. Sorry about that. Name your email, welcome, free book. This is just, something for us to recognize within Mailchimp what we're doing. No one else will see it. Email subject will say something like, here's your free book. From name, Cindy Green. Now just leave, you'll put your from email address in there. I'm just going to leave it at mine for now. Click next. Select a template. Just, pick one you can edit. So if you got a logo, you can click up here, click the little pencil, then click replace. And I got one here, kind of not real great looking, but it works for that. We can add some text. So I just clicked on that and this opens up, this editor opens up on the right. Say something like, here's, or let's thank them first. Alright. Thanks for joining my mailing list. Here's your free book files. Okay. And we'll get rid of that. Delete. We can leave that there. We don't need a shop now button. So just hit the trash can and delete it. Again. Alright, we can get rid of that. If you have your URLs for your Facebook page and Twitter and stuff, you can add that here. I don't know what hers are right now, so I'm just going to take it out, but it's kind of a cool feature if you want to use it. And then you can leave all this stuff in so they can unsubscribe if they need to. Alright, let's edit the text on this one. So let's see. Click here for I'm not sure what all versions she's got, but we go to movie, download. You click here for I forget the names of their books. I don't think it's PDF. We'll start here. Let's see. Select that. Click the little link icon up here. And from this link to drop down, we want to hit file. And this will let us upload our file up here on the right. Hit upload. And I got her files saved on my desktop, I believe. It's a mess. Sorry. Let's see. Author course, book files. Let's see. So we got, there's the Mobi version. Okay, insert link. And the other one was EPUB. Download. So we'll do the same thing. We'll select it. Hit the little link button. Link to a file. We'll upload the EPUB version. You can do this for as many, different file types as you have. I think we just got the 2. Insert. So now they'll get a link. If they prefer, depending on what kind of device they got, they can get the right format for their book. And then you can add, if you want to add, anything else, you'd add it there. But I'm going to keep it simple. So I'm going to hit save and close. There's the book files. All right, save and continue. All right, so this triggers immediately after. All right, so that's all good. Hit next. Start sending. Yep, hit start sending. And so this, if we go back and look at our campaigns, there it is, message free book. And this is going to send off to everybody who joins your list right away. As soon as they join, it's going to fire off that email. They'll get their free book or, whatever your offer is. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys how to do is come up here to the right, little drop down, click on your profile. Excuse me. All right, we're going to create an API key. So under extras here, go down to API keys. Just click create a key. There it is for you. You can click in there, copy it, Control C. And this is how we're going to integrate it with our ClickFunnels. So let's go back to our ClickFunnels account, back into your author funnel. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Let's start here. Go to your profile picture on the top right. Scroll down to where it says integrations and click on that. We want to hit add new integration. We're going to scroll down and look for, here we go, Mailchimp right here. Just click on that. Name it. We'll call it just Mailchimp. And then here's where you paste your API key. So Control V. Add integration. Success. All right. So click back up here to your funnels. Go back into the funnel we just created. I called mine the author funnel. All right, so on the opt-in page here, go to edit page. Settings. Oops. Integrations. We want to select our integration, which is Mailchimp, what we just created. The action is going to be add to list. The list to add is my data-driven leads. Yours will be whatever you set up. And I don't send a confirm email because I usually set that. If I do set it up, I do it through Mailchimp. And there we go. So that's all connected. So one more thing before we test. Let's go up here to the exit. Now with ClickFunnels, I believe if you follow along and kind of do their tutorials, he'll give you a free domain name. And not sure where that's at, but it's just you'll get these badges, and as you go along learning taking their video courses and stuff, they'll give you a free domain name. So come up here to your profile image, go down to domains, All right, I'm going to point this. We got a lot of domains in here, but you find, your main domain that you want your funnel, you want to point towards your funnel, point your funnel towards. In this case, I'm going to do data-driven leads. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just do my data-driven leads here. Click down here on the 3 little dots, click edit. The default page, hit expand. You can click in this box here and find your, find your funnel you just created. Let's see. For me, I got author funnel, and I want to put it on my opt-in page, the first page of my funnel, and then click save. And so now, if I go to data-driven leads, it should, datadrivenleads.com, should bring me, right to our author funnel. All right, so we know that's set up. So close that. Let's go back to our funnels. Go back into your author funnel. I'll show you another way you can get there. Well, we got to make one more change. Up here in settings, I want to make sure right here where it says domain that we select the same one we just picked. So this case, datadrivenleads.com. All right, then you scroll way down, hit save and update settings. There it goes. Looks like it's already updated in there, data-driven leads. So if you click this little box and this little arrow, it'll open up to your actual page. So if you want to test this out, we'll just fill my name in there for me. I'm going to put in, I think I've used this email, so I'm going to try one that we haven't used. Brian.Baker. All right, get your free copy. All right, sweet. Brings me to my thank you page. It says click here to redeem your coupon. So, the customer would copy their coupon code, click there, come, add books to their shopping cart, and then check out. So we can click off of that. Let's see. Let's go back to our Mailchimp. Go to the list, data-driven leads, or whatever your list is called. All right, here's the one we just added, Brian.Baker.data. So it put it into our list for us. So if we go, let's see. One second. Not sure how long it takes Mailchimp to fire off their emails. Oh, so it's got one in the queue. So that's what we're waiting on. I don't know how often they fire off their emails. So, but as soon as it does, it'll be, one sent instead of one queued up there. But it should be working. They probably send off their emails every 5 minutes or something. I'm not sure exactly. But there it is. The subscribers in the queue. So it's just waiting. Next email send time, 11:24. So I was going to show you an example of the email, but if it's going to take forever to send it, then I guess we won't. But yeah, that's it. That's how you test it, and that's how you get everything set up. See you in the next video.